Hello, this is Billy Core from HomeofCarolinaCircleModel.com with yet another retro computer game where I take a look at my favorite classic computer games of the 1990s. And now we'll take a look at the second Putt-Putt game ever made. Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon. Just like Fatty Bear, I lost the original case of this years ago, and in fact this isn't even the original CD I had that I bought back in 1996. That one, it got so beaten up that it couldn't be played anymore. So back in, I think it was 2007, I bought this CD off eBay as a replacement, and it works just fine, just like the original. So here's a quick synopsis of it off Wikipedia. When Putt-Putt visits the fireworks factory, a slip of Pep's paw sends him rocketing to the moon. Once there, he must gather the pieces of a rocket ship to get himself and Pep back home to Earth. And okay, now let's once again switch over to the computer camera and play Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon. And the title screen coming up here.
But could have been more careful. Putt-Putt goes to the moon.
Copyright 1993. 1993, folks.
Putt-Putt goes to the moon.
Same year as Fatty Bear.
And when you get there, you'll have lots of fun. But we hope you'll come back soon. We're glad that you're happy, but Putt-Putt make it snappy. Putt-Putt, come back from the moon.
Hi, I'm Putt-Putt. I'm so excited. Mr. Firebird invited Pep and me to the fireworks factory. I bet this is going to be a great day.
Let's head toward the fireworks factory.
Firebird.
Welcome, Putt-Putt. Would you like to help me make a skyrocket?
You bet.
I'll give you a hand, but be careful not to touch that lever. It's for my big secret experiment.
Wow.
Just show me what you want to do.
And this same factory is also seen in Putt-Putt Travels Through Time.
Bright stars.
There's really no point to this, but we'll do it anyway.
Oh, the squiggly worms are my favorite.
They're neat. Those hearts are sure pretty.
It doesn't matter which button you press. They all do the same thing. Looks amazing in the day.
What a pretty butterfly.
Okay, and the plot thickens here.
No, Pep!
Oh no!
What's happening?
Buckle your seatbelt, Putt-Putt! You're going for a ride!
Okay, so now we're space now.
Wow! Pep, we're in outer space!
That's where we got that helmet from. Just turn around going back to Earth, but then he'd burn up and re-entering the Earth's atmosphere.
never gets home.
Okay, we're on the moon now.
Do you know the way back to Earth?
No, we just got here. We're from Kansas.
Maybe you could launch off that rock.
And something tells me
That's
they're
a
not
good
in
idea.
Kansas anymore.
I guess I can't get home that way.
I guess not.
That's weird.
All that is just some puzzle game. And here's where it gets interesting. Weird sounding honk again.
What's wrong, little buddy?
Can you get me out of this mess?
Sure, I'll help you out.
Thanks. Who are you?
The name's Rover, and I got quite a story to tell. I was brought here from Earth by some
1969.
astronauts, but when they went home, I was left behind.
I was stuck on the moon for 34 years.
All they left me was this picture of the moon. You can have it if you like. I just want to go home.
Thanks, Rover. I wish there was something I could do.
Listen, kid, there just
Remember,
might be.
several
Now
years
follow
back,
me.
there was a,
I've got an idea.
I heard something from my 6th grade teacher at the time, so I guess it was like 01 or 02, that
Wow.
NASA was actually
Take a
selling
look at this
that moon
place.
rover, the original one, using the first mission from 1969.
That looks
It was
just
real
like
cheap,
a
but the
space
catch is you have to
rocket.
go up there and get it
is a
yourself.
space rocket, and it just might be our ticket home.
I wonder if it's for sale.
It sure is.
How much is it?
10 glowing moon crystals, but the rocket's missing a few parts. Take our blue flag.
Of
It will
course.
show you what you need.
Thanks. It's the plan for the rocket. It looks like I need to find the steering wheel, the nose cone, the key, the rocket fuel, and 10 glowing moon crystals, so I can launch the rocket ship.
I'll go help look for the missing parts.
Bye.
Okay, this is the town square of Moon City. It's a Cosmic Dust Diner. Okay, this is just a simple little arcade game starring Fatty Bear. Called Bear Stormin'. The level 3's verb is a little bit harder. You can see. that concludes this video. See you in part 2.